Kendra Bishop with the Bishop Real Estate Group. It is May 2022. I cannot believe we are already in May. This year has just flown by. I am here today to give you a little bit of a market update. What the heck is going on in this market? It is full of volatility. It is all over the headlines. It's all over the news. Last week we had a crazy stock market crash and upset day. Interest rates have gone up. We are seeing this all over the news every day and any day. And I want to try to break it down locally for us to talk about the Sacramento market and what's actually going on here. First off, we're going to go through some market stats, what's happening this year compared to last year. Then we're going to talk about how do you actually buy or sell a house in this market. That's what I keep hearing. How do I buy? How do I sell? I want to sell. Where do I go? What do I do? So I'm going to break down some of those things real quick for us today. So first, market stats. From a year ago, April 22 compared to April 21, our inventory is finally up 23%. We have an increase in inventory 23%. Solds are down just a smidge, 2%. Pendings are down 4%. Those are down a little bit more given that our inventory is up. Have we had some concerns in what's considered our entry-level market with the interest rates ticking up that some buyers can't perform? Absolutely. Are we seeing that in the upper end markets? No, not really. So we are seeing that market overall. The average price per square foot is $336 per square foot. It's up 18% year over year. So we're still seeing some pretty significant increases in our market year over year. Days on market is sitting at 19 days, exactly the same as last year. When I break out Placer County as a whole, Placer County is identical to the entire Sacramento region. When I break out over the $1 million mark, the $1 million luxury mark, in our region, it's a totally different market still. On paper, it is still crazy hot. Solds are up 62% year over year. Pendings are up 38%. And inventory is up 21%, which is starting to help us in that market start to get some buyer traction and buyer in homes. So we're not getting as flooded as we were, but it's still a pretty crazy market. How do you buy and sell in this market? What is the differentiating factors? This is what we're seeing and we're knowing. Homes that are turnkey, ready to go, look like they came out of Restoration Hardware's catalog, are selling with multiple offers. They're selling with bidding wars as long as they are priced within this market. You have to remember that we have traditional buyers and we have emotional buyers. Traditionally priced homes that are priced ready to sell, that are shown ready to sell, are selling, and we are in some cases getting luck for our sellers with what we're calling an emotional buyer, that someone that comes in and outbids everybody else significantly. Homes that are dated, that are needing a little bit of love, that have deferred maintenance from the last 2 years of living hard in it with families with the pandemic, those are struggling a little bit more. And so we are needing to come in and present those correctly or price those correctly to sell in this market. If you're a buyer, you need to know, number one, if you're waiting for Redfin or Realtor.com or Zillow to ding you with the newest listing on the market, you are way too late. Most listings before they hit the market, we are being notified of from other agents in the community. We are being notified of off-market listings where sellers never want to go into the MLS and are selling and closing those off-market. They have one closing this Friday that never went to market and is being done completely off-market. It was a situation where one of our clients came to me with wave their magic wand, what they wanted, and we found it off-market. And so it's really, really important. Don't be behind the 8 ball. Let us know, communicate with us, tell us what you're looking for, tell us what your game plan is. If you're looking to sell in the next couple of years, how can we help maneuver you through this market? I don't think this market is going to slow down anytime soon. All predictions are showing that the Sacramento Valley will continue to have an influx of buyers, both locally and relocating in through at least the end of the year. Interest rates have been some deterrent. There's talks of whether they'll pop around as the year progresses, and I think that they will. And so the signs are showing that it's absolutely both a time to buy and a time to sell. It needs some maneuvering, it needs some help, it needs some massaging, but it absolutely works. For those of you out there that have questions, call, text, email us anytime. We want to be here as a resource. We are so thrilled that the world is starting to open up again, that we can get out and see you. We hope to see some of you in our charity golf tournament here in a few weeks. We've got a secret movie night coming up that will be announced here shortly in June. And we really hope to be able to see our clients, give you hugs, give you high fives, tell you how much we appreciate you, and continue to be a resource for you here in Placer County. As always, signing off for this month. Hope to see you all soon. Bye-bye.